Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ultimates in Marvel vs. Capcom. Ultimates are incredibly powerful special moves that can turn the tide of any battle. They require a full hyper combo gauge to activate, so managing your meter is key. Each character possesses unique ultimate attacks, offering diverse strategic options. Mastering the precise timing and execution of these moves is absolutely crucial for maximizing their impact and securing victory against your opponents. To activate an ultimate, you first need to fill your hyper combo gauge. This gauge accumulates power as you both deal and receive damage during a match. Once it's completely full, you'll see it glowing brightly at the bottom of your screen. Then, simply input the specific command for your chosen character's ultimate attack. Many ultimates typically involve a quarter circle forward or backward motion combined with an attack button. Strategic use of ultimates is vital for dominating your matches. These powerful moves can significantly extend your combos, leading to massive damage output. They are also excellent for punishing opponents who leave themselves open after a blocked attack or a whiffed special move. Furthermore, ultimates can effectively break through a stubborn opponent's defense. Sometimes, it's best to save your ultimate for a dramatic comeback or to deliver the decisive finishing blow. For advanced play, consistent ultimate execution is paramount. Practice inputs diligently in training mode. Understand that each character's ultimate has unique properties, ranges, and startup frames, which you should learn. Experiment with combining your ultimates with well-timed assist calls to create devastating, unblockable setups. Finally, pay close attention to your opponent's habits and tendencies to anticipate when they might leave themselves vulnerable, creating perfect openings for your ultimate attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.